entire night. It's been a wonderful night, and I'm not gonna lie to you, every single band here tonight has been incredibly talented.
Yeah.
We're super blessed to have all of these bands up here on the stage. So we are going to start with our over 20 category. Our judges deliberated, they talked it out, they scored all of them, and our 2025 over 20 category Battle of the Band winner is the Marina Effect! From the crowd tonight. And our last category, our under 20. Can we actually get another round of applause for these kids? They are incredibly talented. I don't know how you all play the drums, play the guitars like that. I could never do that. Props to you guys. So our 2025 under 20 category Battle of the Band winners are